A very good morning. I am Dr. K. Pushpam, Assistant Professor in Sociology, School of Excellence in Law, Chennai. Today we are discussing about steps in historical method. So what are the steps to be taken for the historical method? The feasibility of the study should be examined. Next one is the researcher should see whether the selected problems lends itself to historical analysis. So the researcher should analyze whether the selected problems lends itself to historical analysis. The choosing particular problem will be ability to historical analysis that will be choose. It should be one of the tracing and describing the past or relating to the recent past to draw out its significance for the present and the future. Next one is it should be feasible in terms of its researchability, time and cost. As a researcher, we need to our feasibility of time and cost. And the selected problem should be formulated and the plan of study should be designed. The selected problem will be formulated and the plan of study, what is the systematic process will be adopted for the particular historical analysis. Then the sources of data should be located. So what kind of data collected from the field? For example, our primary data or secondary data or our archives or materials, all those sources of data will be located. The genuineness of the sources and the validity of the fact contained in them should be tested. So the genuineness of the sources, the originality or and that validity of the sources will be analyzed or tested. Then relevant fact should be collected from the authentic sources and they should be checked and cross-checked. So whatever it is we are collected data, that data will be checked is must. So otherwise the data genuinity will be changed. The fact should be arranged into a logical sequence and the synthesis of fact is the basis for rebuilding of the past situations. So whatever and the data is available, the data will be arranged in a periodical manner. So what kind of activities and the continue of activities or a system of process will be arranged according to our data. By adapting induction process, meaningful interpretation and generalization should be made. So by adapting induction process, meaningful interpretation and generalization should be made. The quality of a historical study depends on the relevance, adequacy and completeness of fact collected, their reliability and the ingenuity of the researcher in classifying and integrating them in drawing inferences. So these are the steps to be involved our historical research method. So what kind of problem will be chosen and what kind of method will be adopted, the data will be arranged, all those things involved for the steps in historical method, and also these steps are very important to conduct a historical study. Thank you.